Here we have the stylish and capable Realme GT Neo 2T. The frame and corners are in great shape. The screen is clean. And the unique silver holographic back is in excellent condition. Now for the performance. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are tested and working perfectly.
Media sound and screen.
Brightness are fully adjustable. It's powered by the powerful Dimensity 1200 AI chip. The versatile camera system takes great photos and video. All functions have been tested. Thanks for watching. Discover more at krser.com.